guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing eco-friendly craft DIYs, jewelry ideas, a lot more. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful pendant using air dry clean paper. Let's get started with the tutorial. Before we go, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you are getting started with your own jewelries and you want amazing jewelry ideas and patterns which you can download, it's a PDF download. The link is in description box below. You can use it for creating your own jewelries. It's in a PDF download, so you can very well grab it out. The link is in description box below. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. attach the elastic thread to it and finish it with the necklace. So let's do the end result of beautiful pendant that we made using air dry clay and paper clay. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.